Adding a double jump is fast and easy, so let's dive into Godot. So I'm gonna add a other node and a character body 3D. Add a collision shape, a sphere, move it up 1 meter, and add a mesh instance. Will also be a sphere. I'm gonna add a camera to the player. I'm gonna attach a new script and I'm gonna use the template and hit create. I'm gonna make a new variable in here and I'm gonna call this available jumps and I'm gonna make it equal to 2. The if statement that handles the jump is the action UI pressed and is on floor. I'm gonna modify this a little bit, so I'm gonna comment this out and make it like that. So it will continue down here. And if available jumps is more than 0, we will jump. So let's indent this. And each time we press UI accept, we will do available jumps minus equal 1. We can also print the available jumps. So print and available jumps. And below that, we want to reset the available jumps when we are on the floor. And to do that, we can do if is on floor. Then we want to do available jumps equals 2. And if I run this now in my level, I can walk around with the arrow keys. And when I press enter, I will jump and I will see a 1. And if I double jump, I can press it twice. 1, 2, and if I press a third time, it doesn't happen. You see that it prints a 0 and now -1. So with 1 jump, I can't get up here. Not even with 2 jumps. But if I jump up here and do a double jump, I can get up on that pillar. So that's pretty cool. You can modify this to add even more jumps. If you don't want to have 2 places that you want to change it, you can make a new variable. And I guess I can call this max jumps. And this is equal to the available jumps. You have to put this after this one, because the code won't know it exists unless it's after. So now I won't have 2 places that I need to change the value in. So on is on floor, I can set the available jumps equal the max jumps. And I can even print the max jumps. It will print a lot when I run the level. So if I run the level now, it will print a bunch of 5s. If I move around and can jump up here, print 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can't jump anymore. So now you know how to do double jumps in Godot. Thanks for watching and shout out to my Ko-Fi members. For source code, custom videos or coaching, check out my Ko-Fi and I'll see you in the next one.